Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Modern Warfare 3 game which is crashing on the Xbox with different error code such as 0x7, 0x3, 0x9 or 0x1. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, launch your Xbox game bar. Click on your profile icon and click on the option settings over here. Now here click on the option install options, and here you will find the option of enable downloads or updates during gameplay. Make sure you check mark this particular option. Once you have done this, close it. Now go ahead, relaunch your game to fix out the crashing issue with Modern Warfare 3. If this failed to work out, in next step, right click on your Modern Warfare 3 game and then click on the option manage. From here you will find the option of create desktop icon. Click on it. Once the desktop icon is created, you need to right click on your game and from here choose the option run as administrator. Make sure while trying to play the game, every time you choose the option run as administrator, only then you launch the game to fix out the issue of Modern Warfare 3 error code 0x7, 0x3, 0x9 or 0x1. If these methods doesn't help you fix out the issue, you need to download the base game using either the battle.net or using the Steam launcher. Once downloaded, click on your game icon. From here click on this gear icon and choose the option modify install. Again click on modify install and you can see I have already installed the base game only. If you have installed the complete game, you need to uncheck each and every option available over here and only check mark base game and then click on the option confirm. Once you have done so, you need to open the game directory, which is again available by clicking on this gear icon and choose the option show in explorer. Open the retail folder, select all the folders available over here by pressing the Ctrl+A key, then right click and you need to click on the option copy. Once copied, you need to paste these files in the installation directory of the Xbox game, which is available in C drive, Xbox game, and here you will find a folder with the name Call of Duty. Open Call of Duty folder, then open content folder and then paste all the files over here, and if it is asking you to replace the files, go ahead and replace all the files. Once all the files are replaced, again launch Xbox, click on this 3 dot icon next to your game, click on the option manage. Over here choose files tab and choose the option verify and repair to verify the integrity of the game files. Once the integrity is verified, relaunch the game and this will completely fix out the issue of Modern Warfare 3 crashing on Xbox. If this also failed, in next step, first of all, if you have installed any third party antivirus such as Norton, Avast or AVG, make sure you completely install those antiviruses. Nextly is, if you have installed any remapping software such as WASD, make sure you uninstall this software also, because this software detected as a cheat software which in turn doesn't let you launch the game. So make sure you completely install this software. And nextly is any third party antivirus such as Norton, Avast or AVG. If all these methods fails, in next step you need to make sure that you have installed your regional language. To do so, head over to settings menu. In this left pane, click on the option time and language. From here click on the option language and region. Under the preferred language, make sure you install your regional language also. For example, at my end, my country origin is India, so I have installed my regional language as English India. You need to click on this add a language and all the language will be available right over here. Select the language and click on the option next to install your regional language, and once the language is installed, again launch your Xbox, click on this 3 dot icon, choose the option manage, click on files tab and again verify integrity of the repair files and then relaunch the game, and hopefully this will fix out the issue of Modern Warfare 3 crashing with error code 0x7, 0x3, 0x9. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.